Curiosities. Gastronomy. History. Touristic places. Health. Info. Italy.
Okay, so this is challenge 2, information technologies 1. And first of all, I'm gonna start to explain the screen 1, that is the loading screen. So the first block that I used was when screen 1 initialized do, and I put set clock to animate time enable to true. So this will allow the clock 2 to get started, and I also put set clock 1 time enable to true. So this will also allow to clock 1 to get started. Then I put when clock 2 animate timer do, and I put set image 1 rotation angle 2, and I put an addition block, and I put image 1 rotation angle plus 5. So this will allow the image to rotate 5 by 5. Then I put when clock 1 timer do, and I put set clock 2 animate time enable to false, then set clock 1 time enable to false 2. So these two blocks will allow the both clocks to get off. So yeah, and then I put a block conditioner, and I put if clock 1 time interval equal to 5,000, then close the screen. So when the clock 1 gets to 5,000, the screen 1 will get closed, and then another screen will be opened, that is screen inicio. And that's it from screen 1. Let's go to inicio. Yeah. So the first thing that I did here was to create a new variable that is initial global menu to false. Like right now, this variable is false, so is not working. Then I put when button menu click do, and then set clock 1 time enable to true, so the clock 1 will get start. Then I put when clock 1 timer do, and I add a conditioner, a block condition, and I put if get global menu equal false. So when the global menu is false, that is, like I said, it's false right now, then set this position menu visible to true. So when this is false, the variable is false. If the variable is false, then put the disposition menu to be visible. First of all, is not visible, is invisible, and yeah, that allows you to do that. Then I add another conditional block inside the conditional block that says if disposition menu width less than initio width division 2 under 2, and then set disposition menu width to disposition menu width plus 20. So, and then else, I add else here, I put set clock 1 time enable to false, and set global menu to true. So here First, the conditional will allows the disposition menu to be showed in the screen, like in the half of the screen, and then the clock one will get off, and the set global menu, the variable that we create, will get start. Then in the first block conditional I add else if then, and then I put else if get global menu equal to true. So when the global menu is true, is start. Then, and here I add another conditional block that says if disposition menu width more than initial width into 100 under 100 between 100, the initial width between 100, sorry, then set disposition menu width to disposition menu width less to 20. And yeah, so this will, well, wait, then else, I add else here, and then I put set clock 1 time enable to false, so the clock will get off, and set disposition menu visible to false. So with the process that I said before, like the initial width between 100, will allow the disposition menu to be invisible again, and then set global menu to false, so the variable that we create will be false again. And yeah, here I configured all the buttons to change the screens. So for example, I used when screen to button click do, and then I put call text to speak message curiosities, open another screen name screen 2. So this will allows you to, when you click on the screen to button, the text picture 1 will speak the message curiosities and will open another screen that is screen name screen 2. Yeah, and I did the same process with all of the buttons of the menu. For example, in screen 3 button, the message is gastronomy and the screen name is screen 3. And screen 4 button, the message is history, and the screen name is screen 4. In screen 5 bottom, the message is touristic places, and the screen name is 5. And here I add 2 more buttons, that is help and info, but they have the same process. Like when help click do, call text to speech 1 speak message help, and open another screen name help. As you can see, it's the same process. Also with info, the message is info and the screen name is info. And yeah, I did the same process with all of the screens, but in screen 5 and 2 I add another block. There is when button 1 click do open another screen name screen 6. So when you're in the screen 5, you will see the information that appears, and at the bottom will be a button that is an arrow, and if you click on it, that is the button 1, it will change the screen to screen 6, and the screen 6, the information will be continued. And yeah, that's it. I did this part also with screen 2. And yeah, so I did this to add a little bit more information than in the other screens. And in screen 6, for example, screen 7, I only put one block because it's the continuation of the screen 2. So here only put the one button at the bottom that is also an arrow. So when you click on it, it will get you backwards to the screen 2. And yeah, that's only because when you're in screen 2 and click the bottom, it will change to screen 7, sorry. And when you're in screen 7, it will be a button that will change you backwards to the screen 2. That's pretty simple, I guess. And yeah, that's it, because I did the same process with all the screens. Okay, that's it. I'm Aide Benitez Moreno from Group 2, and this is Challenge 2 for Information Technologies 1. Thank you.